Alright, this is going to be solving the Rubik's Cube, and we're going to start with video 1, which is the upper layer. First we do the white cross. There is no algorithm for that, so we just look around and we try to get the white pieces up to the top to make the cross, and the side pieces have to match the side centers. So we're going to continue to look around. It's always best to turn these to the bottom, because then you can spin the bottom around and match it to the center before you rotate it to the top. So those are solved. And we continue on. So this one we're going to need to turn to the bottom as well. So we turn it to the bottom, but in doing so we move the solved piece to an unsolved position. So we're going to rotate the bottom out of the way and then bring the solved one back. That will still put this one on the bottom until we can align it with the proper center and then bring it to the top. So now that's 3 solved. We find the last one here, and remember when we turn this to the bottom, we got to turn it away and turn the original back, not to unsolve it. So there it is on the bottom. Now we're going to find the orange center and we're going to rotate, and that's the white cross. It's a reminder that white and yellow center, orange and red, blue and green will always be opposite each other. That will never change. They're solid pieces that don't move. So now to do the corners, we're going to do right back, bottom back, right, bottom. So this is notation for backwards. So in order to do the corners, I like to go to the bottom, find white pieces on the corners if they're down there, and then I put the corresponding colors to the centers with the white piece in the right corner. So we know when we rotate this, it's going to come up to this corner eventually. So we're going to use this pattern. It's 4 moves: right back, right, bottom. Alright, that's solved that corner. Sometimes you have to repeat that several times to get it to solve. So I'll find another one on the bottom here. It's got the red and the green and the white. We're going to bring it up to here. This white's in the wrong position. It's on the wrong corner. Again, same motion. That one is solved. It only took 1 set to do it. Sometimes it takes more. Hopefully it will on the last 2. Continue along, trying to find corners that match. Got the green and the orange here. I'm going to repeat the same process. So that time. Now you might ask, well, why does that bottom one have to be turned the last time? It doesn't. It doesn't. But this pattern will be used again later, so it's just good to have that 4th step in there, because that pattern will be used later. So it's not solved, so we keep going. One thing I notice is once the orange one faces you and matches the center, the next set is going to solve that corner. So I turn the bottom one just for habit. So now we have one more corner to do, and it's over here. It doesn't matter where the corner is. If it's sitting up here, it'll still work. You just repeat the process. So we only got blue, red left. Orientation is different, but doesn't matter. It will solve by using the same pattern. And that these have to match. Sometimes you'll get these in the correct position, but they all won't match the center, so that doesn't solve the layer until these are all matched. And that is layer 1.